Now today we will discuss about the differences between mixture and compounds, that how they are different from each other. Now first point is mixture is that element or compound just mix together and no new substance is formed. मिक्सचर में कोई भी नया सब्सटेंस नहीं बनता, सिर्फ एलिमेंट्स और कंपाउंड्स को मिक्स कर दिया जाता है. जैसे सल्फर फिलिंग्स और आयरन को हम मिक्स कर दें तो दैट इज़ ओनली अ मिक्सचर, नॉट अ कंपाउंड. But in compound, elements react to form new substances. So here we can take the example of hydrogen and oxygen. They react and form a new substance, that is water. The second point in mixture is a mixture has a variable composition. So as we have taken the example of sugar solution, so we can add more water or sugar, or we can reduce the quantity of both, so the composition of that mixture can be changed. Composition of a compound is fixed. So in water, we have taken the example of water, so the composition of hydrogen and oxygen will remain 1:8 by mass, whether the water is taken from the well or the river or tap water. So its composition is fixed. So third point is a mixture shows properties of its constituents. So if we mix iron fillings with sand or wood peelings, what will happen when we use magnet? Iron fillings easily get attracted towards magnet. So it is showing the property of its one component iron when we use a magnet. So we can say that a mixture shows properties of its constituents. But in compound, the new substance has totally different property. Water की बात करें, that is a compound. It does not show the properties of hydrogen and oxygen separately. It shows its own property. Water has its own property. So we can say that the new substance that is formed, means that is known as compound. It has its own different properties and does not show the properties of its constituents. Fourth point is the constituents can be separated by physical methods in mixture. So we can easily use physical methods, whether it is sublimation, filtration, distillation, and we can separate the components of a mixture. But in compounds it does not happen. We cannot separate the constituents of compound by any physical method. Only they can be separated by chemical methods. Fifth point is mixture does not have fixed boiling or melting point. Why? Because a mixture shows variable composition. So we cannot say that it has fixed boiling or melting point. But in compound, as the ratio of each component is fixed, so it has fixed boiling or melting point. Now last point is energy, whether it is in form of heat or light, it is neither absorbed or given out, क्योंकि सिर्फ मिक्स करना होता है हमें इसमें components को. So no energy is released or absorbed. But in compound, energy is usually absorbed or given out, and this energy can be in form of heat and light. That is all about the differences between mixture and compounds.